welcome back to the channel for another reaction video. So, quick story behind this one. The actual band themselves requested this over a month ago. I actually have reacted to these guys before. I reacted to their Neo Chronicle one over a year ago now. I enjoyed the song. These are Japanese metalcore, if I remember correctly, from what the guy told me. Yeah, they requested it over a month ago. I did say I'd get round to it over a month ago, and obviously, again, as normal with me, I let them down. I don't know. I've just been on and off doing reactions, obviously, over the months. But I'm hopefully gonna get on them. There's gonna be 4 coming out today, and then Citizen Soldier release one tomorrow. So I'm definitely gonna jump on the Citizen Soldier one, especially since I've seen the teasers and it sounds a bit like. Sounds a bit heavy, so it sounds a lot more like Empty Cup and Fever. But anyway, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to get on with this. This is Vanishing Figure by Sailing Before the Wind, so can't wait to see what these guys have got. So let's get into it. It's a build up. Relentless! Swinging back with a vengeance! Destruction every single moment! The fist of time is relentless! Swinging back with a vengeance! Wow, okay. So into cleans again. After that brutal breakdown. We're gonna lean back into it, aren't we? The build goes back into it. Yep. yeah. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I like how this is like. I like how YouTube is just calling me out for watching other reaction channels. There is that. Wait. Is that 10 rules off? Ah, that's the ultimate theme mashup. Rip. Yes, it's Orion, Alex Hefner. All right, so that was Sailing Before the Wind with Vanishing Figure. Um, I totally forgot about these guys. Like properly forgot. Um, until they commented. They're one of the few bands that I didn't actually add to a playlist of mine at all. I think did I can't remember if I went through a patch where I just stopped uploading after that video came out. Doesn't appear I did, although I might have done. I'm not too sure. It came out around the time I released Kaiserion, the reaction to Kaiserion from Ghost. So I don't know. It was just one that I never really added to the playlist. Maybe I forgot. Obviously, quite a lot of songs were coming out then, and probably just didn't remember to add it to a playlist. If I remember of Neo Chronicle, it was quite a technical song. There were some technical metalcore elements mixed in there. Um, Obviously, I've no clue about it. There is this Southern Cross one. I'm not sure if Southern Cross is the new song or if this is just an old one. I'm gonna have to let me see if I can. Let me at least double check through these because I might have just reacted to the wrong one. Let's pause that. No, it does seem to be Vanishing Figure. That is the new one. Okay, so I have reacted to the right one. Ignore these. I've just reacted to those. Um, but yeah, yeah, great song, lovely vocals, some cleans in there that were beautiful. I like the breakdown. I liked it when it got especially more brutal after the first, the lighter sort of breakdown when they dropped it into a more heavy breakdown. But yeah, thanks for the request, of course, Sailing Before the Wind. Sorry, I couldn't get it out um, when you asked. I did say I would, but your comments been in my mind, so thought, I'm doing reactions now, so I know it's been a month, but I'm going to jump on it anyway. So yeah, again, thanks for the request, guys. And obviously, everyone support them down below. They're quite a small band, so I'd like to see more people jump on them and support them. Support me if you want. Click like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below if you want to see more from me, and I'll catch you all in the next one.